So he says in verse 8, Sri Jiva Goswami Pad says, from the response of Tulsi in verse 7, which was, of course, like everyone else, silence and nothing, the Brajagopis think that because Tulsi proudly feels she's respected by Krishna, she does not speak. So then they ask the flowering shrubs, and all these are small shrubs and plants, who are servants of Krishna, and they don't have any pride because they're bowing down and offering their flowers to him out of great agitation. Because you see Tulsi grows straight up, and she doesn't bow down. She just goes straight up and stands nicely. But these other, you can see we have them, when they grow like a mogra plant or jewi, they grow unless you support them. They can become like creepers unless they just droop down. They just fall down. With their flowers, they just fall down to the ground, so you have to support them. So they're saying that they're humble. They're not proud like Tulsi. Tulsi's standing there. See how she's standing? But the malikas, we're tying them up there. These are mogras, and we're holding them up and making them kind of go up in a... So they say that. They don't have any pride. They're bowing down and offering their flowers to Krishna out of great agitation. It takes one to know one. So because Sri Jiva Goswami Pad is Vilas Manjari, a Nitya Siddha Parishad of Radharani and Krishna, she's right there. She's in the Ras Lila. So she just... When Sri Jiva Goswami Pad is commenting, he just enters his alter ego. He enters his other identity as Vilas Manjari, and then in Samadhi enters the Lila. So it's very easy for him to perceive the feelings because he's Bhav Tadatmika with Radharani and all the gopis. So it's easy for him to know what is the position of their minds, what is the position of their minds, and what is the condition of their hearts, what are they feeling.